Marty was just going to give me a kickback for selling the things.
I hope the bonus is what it's.
Do you know how hard it is to survive on a government paycheck?
Yes, I do.
It was found money in it. I had nothing to do with that. That wasn't me. Nothing.
I didn't leave you.
Okay, boo-boos. Want to see my teeth?
In a second.
Come
I want to
on,
make sure
babe.
he gets up the stairs first.
The bunnies are waiting for you, boo-boos. The bunnies are waiting for you.
You did it! Yay! Mirrors, you did it!
He likes my slippers. I think it's okay. I'm
Say bye, Nayla. Say hi, Nayla.
Hi, Nayla.
Say hi. Watch out, Kalila. Come sit on the other side of Jameer.
No.
Okay, that's